Okay, it's a lovely sunny morning, and I just want to touch on a few things that we are getting developed better and getting some results on. That being creating leads for our motorhome dealers. We have a program that we put together which has become very successful, and it helps people generate leads and helps people find different methods to find a customer who is looking to buy a particular motorhome. Now, you might have said, I've heard all that before, but it actually works. So we don't care if you say, I've heard all that before, because it just works, and people are now understanding that everything is going to have to be online, and if people do not go online, they won't get sales and leads. Yes, the showroom is still alive and kicking, and good luck to everybody in this next few weeks when they reopen, but the sales department needs things to do, and things to do means customers contacting your business. So don't lose out. Be in touch. Thank you.